Hello everyone, this is the next video in the Java Full Stack Developer video series. In this video, we will learn more about the query statement. Okay, let's open the MySQL workbench and write down this SQL script or copy it from the link in the description. The script creating a score table and inserting some data in it, like this. When calling this select command, we are gonna receive entire the table data. And you can see the table here. Now, if you want to show the list subjects in the table, you can use distinct keyword. Put the distinct before the column you want to show, like this. Modify the select by distinct and put the column name you want to show, subject ID, and just run this. Okay, now you can see the list of the subjects, physics and math only. The distinct keyword remove all the duplicate value. Now we want to sort the table. We can use order by keyword. Let's remove it. Order by has two values to set, ascent and descent. The default value is ascent. Now we will practice with this. You can put the order by after the table name, order by keyword, and the column name, maybe the score, and put the value ascent. Now let's run it. Okay, you can see the table row is sorting by the score from the min value to the max value. Now if you want to reverse the list, you can put descent value after the score, like this, and run again. Okay, the list score is now reverted. You can also order multiple columns with commas, like this. Command and put another column, maybe the ID with ascent and the student ID, descent, example, and let's run it. Okay, now we will learn more some aggregate functions in MySQL. You can count the number of rows of a table by count function, like this. Let's remove this. Now select count, the column ID or the column physics. Select. Sorry. The physics is not a column. Subject ID. I'm very sorry. Okay, you can receive the value 5 for the number of rows of the table. Now if you want to show only number of the subject by the ID, for example, we have two subjects here, physics and math. So you can put the distinct before the column name and count them. Let's run this. Okay, now we have two. Next, to sum all the value in the column, you can use the sum functions, like this. We can You can select sum of the score and run it. Yeah, the sum of score is 34. You can use the alias to name it, the title name, as the sum of score, for example. And let's run it and see the column title here. You can find the mean or the maximum value in the table by using the mean function like this. Maybe mean in the score again as the mean, or we can remove this because it's not necessary. Mean is 5, that's correct, right? And the max 9. And you can calculate the average of all the values in the column by using average, the score, for example, and run again. 6.8. Okay, I think that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.